In this video, we'll see how you can expand the Fire TV Stick storage. I'll show you how you can connect any USB based storage device. It can be a USB pen drive or a USB hard disk or even a USB card reader. So let's get started. So as you can see, the Fire TV Stick comes with a single micro USB port through which it is powered. And to connect a USB device, we need to split this single USB port into two ports. One will be the USB port in which you will be connecting the storage device, and the second will be the powering port. So to do that, we have got a USB OTG adapter. You can see over here, this is the device. So basically it comes in two forms. This is a completely solid device, and as you can see over here, this is how it works. It basically connects to the micro USB port of the Fire TV Stick and it splits it into two. So in one port we can connect the storage device. It can be pen drive or hard disk or whatever, or even a USB hub. And in the second port we'll power the device. So basically this power will be shared both by the storage device as well as by the Fire TV Stick. I'll provide you down in the video description the links from where you can buy this. This is listed on Amazon, as you can see. And this is a bit costlier compared to the other one, which is this one. This is cable based, but the use case is the same. Instead of that solid adapter, here we have got wires. The durability might be a bit inferior, but the price is a bit lesser. So this also splits the single micro USB port into two. One for powering the device, another for connecting the USB hub or USB storage device. So once we have this adapter, USB OTG adapter, either this one or the other one, this one, we can connect our USB storage device. And if you want to connect more than one USB devices, like you want to power your wireless mouse, you want to connect your keyboard, etc. to your Fire TV Stick, you can do that by connecting it to this. It splits the single USB port into three USB ports, as you can see. And you can use this to connect multiple storage devices or multiple USB devices. For the storage device, you can connect a pen drive or a hard disk. If you connect a hard disk or a solid state drive, SSD drive, then the speed will be quite high compared to a pen drive, since the output of the USB port from the Fire TV Stick is only USB 2.0. This is the physical hardware requirement for expanding the storage. Now let's look at the software part of it. So for the software part, we'll go into a Fire TV Stick device, and basically we have to go in the settings over here. And we have to then scroll down and you have to go in My Fire TV over here. You click on this, you can see over here when you connect the USB device through that USB OTG adapter, you'll see a USB drive over here connected like this. And I have formatted the USB drive as an external storage device. You can see the space is around 100 GB. And there are basically two ways you can use the USB device. One is using external storage. Another is format to internal storage. The difference between these two are the external storage device, you can disconnect it from the Fire TV Stick and then access the files in another device. It's basically a FAT32 formatted disk, and that can be read in multiple devices. Whereas if you format to internal storage, it will be Linux based partition, and in that partition you won't be able to read on Windows systems. That is the main technical difference. The application based difference is if you want to store your apps, basically if you want to install apps onto the external storage device, then you have to format it to an internal storage. But if you just want the storage medium to be accessible on the Fire TV Stick and you want apps to use the storage medium to store files like your video files, pictures, etc., then you can format it as an external storage and still the apps will be able to access those external files. But the original app, that is installation of the app, will still be on your internal storage. The drawback of using storage for installation of app, because there is a huge speed difference, that is the internal storage medium and your external USB connected storage medium, the apps will not run that smoothly, which are installed on the USB storage device. So keep that in mind when you are thinking of using your external storage device as an internal storage. Once you format it either as an internal storage or format it to external storage, the file system will be accessible to your Fire TV Stick, and we can access it using a app. I'll provide the links down in the video description for this app. This is a free app. You can see I'll go on my apps over here. And here, this is the app. It's called MIX Explorer. This is the open source file explorer app. And you can see over here, this is my external storage device, NAS. And you can see the space, it is showing as 100 GB. So once you format it, you can access the device and you can access the files on the device. So that's how you can expand the Fire Stick storage device. If you like this video, don't forget to smack that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, HowISolve.com. I'll be providing more Fire TV Sticks tips and tricks shortly. So stay tuned and keep watching HowISolve.com. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.